Hey everyone, in this today's video, let us unbox the wakefit mattress which I had ordered last week. I have received the package in very good condition and let's unbox and check how good the mattress is. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to VGS World and support the channel. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to VGS World and support the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.